Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you to fix YouTube video not playing problem on your PC. With that being said, let's get started. Firstly, all you do is that you need to go to the settings from source bar, and from there you have to find out the section called time and language. Tap on it and tap on date and time, and now you have to enable the option set time automatically if it is turned on. After that, you have to select the time zone based on your place. Once you done that, you have to check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, try next method. So the next method is about clearing cache and cookies of your browser. To do this, you have to go to the history section of your browser. In my case, I am using Brave browser, so I would like to use the shortcut key, which is Control plus H. Tap on it, and you will able to directly redirect to the history of your browser. Now I would like to click on option called Clear Browsing Data, and from there you have to go to the advanced and select the time range all time and select three option compulsory. One is browsing history, second is cookies and other site data, and third is cache image and file. You have to select this option compulsory because these are the things which fall under the category of cookies and cache file. Once you select that, you have to tap on clear data. I hope this method work out. If not, you have to try our next method. Next thing you need to do is that you have to clean junk file of your PC. You have to go to the source bar and source or ru and run, and from there you have to type percent temp percent temp temp percent and hit enter. From there you will able to see a large amount of number of junk file there, and you have to select them all by tapping on Ctrl plus A, and then you have to tap on delete, and that's all. So next thing again, you have to go to the same app and try typing tmp temp only now, and delete all the case file of this folder too. And after that you have to go to the recycle bin, and from there you have to empty the recycle bin. Once you've done that, now is the time to check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you have to using another web browser. Many users have reflected that the issue is disappear after they use another web browser. You can also have a try. There are numerous web browsers that you can choose to use as an alternatives. If YouTube video won't play when you use Google Chrome, you can switch to Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera, or some any other web browser. Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.